In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Classroom for parents. Google Classroom is an essential tool in the current learning environment, making it easier for students and parents to keep track of educational tasks. If you're a parent wanting to explore this platform, the best way to start is to sit down with your child and log into their account. Working side by side with them can help demystify the technology and allow you to see what your child is experiencing firsthand. To begin, you'll need to navigate to classroom.google.com. Once there, sign in using your child's school account credentials. This ensures you have the appropriate access and can view everything they do within the platform. This is a critical first step because everything you need as a parent will be accessible through this account. Now that you're logged in, you'll notice several tabs that are important to understand. One of the main sections you should explore is the Classwork tab. Here you can view all the assignments your child has along with their respective due dates. It's an excellent place to get a sense of the workload and what your child needs to prioritize. By going over this with them, you can help them plan out their week and manage their time effectively. Another crucial section is the stream. This is the place where you'll find all the announcements and updates from teachers. Think of it as a bulletin board where you can catch up on the latest classroom news and any important messages from the school. It's a great habit to regularly check this area for any new information that could affect assignments or schedules. Lastly, there's the People tab. Here you can see a list of classmates and teachers involved in your child's learning environment. This section offers a sense of community and connection within the classroom, making it easy to reach out to other students or contact teachers if needed. A few tips for parents using Google Classroom: set a regular schedule for checking in with your child about their assignments. This routine not only provides structure but also encourages them to discuss any challenges they might be facing. It's important to foster an environment where your child feels comfortable asking for help if needed. And don't forget to celebrate their progress and the completion of tasks. It's a great motivation booster. By actively engaging with Google Classroom, you'll stay informed about what's happening in your child's academic life and play an integral role in their educational journey. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't hesitate to revisit any sections as you navigate through Google Classroom. Happy exploring!